Alright, gang. Summer vacation is coming up fast. It's about time we decide where we're going this year.
Yes, let's make this year's vacation one to remember. Any ideas?
How about Disneyland? I've always wanted to meet Mickey Mouse.
Oh, come on, Lily. We went to Disneyland 2 years ago. I was thinking more along the lines of a beach vacation. Surfing, snorkeling, and just relaxing in the sun.
The beach does sound nice. What do you think, Sarah?
Both ideas sound great, but how about something different? What about a national park? We could go hiking, see wildlife, and camp under the stars.
That sounds cool too. I've always wanted to see a bear, from a distance, of course.
And we can roast marshmallows around a campfire.
Remember our road trip to Yellowstone when you guys were little? That was an adventure.
Oh yes, and how we had to stop every few hours because Mike got carsick.
Mom,
I remember that. But the geysers were amazing. Maybe we could go somewhere like that again.
What about the Grand Canyon? We could take a mule ride down the canyon or maybe even raft the Colorado River.
now that sounds like an adventure.
And it's educational too. You kids could learn a lot about geology and history.
Still like the idea of the beach. Can we do a mix of both? Maybe a place where we can do some hiking and also go to the beach?
What about California? We could visit the national parks and also spend some time on the coast.
Yeah, we could go to Yosemite and then drive to Malibu. Best of both worlds.
That sounds like a great plan. We get to explore nature and also relax by the ocean.
Yeah. California it is.
Here's to our next family adventure in California. Let's start planning the details this weekend.
To
California.
California.
To California.
Hotel. Check-in.
Wow, this place looks amazing.
It really does. I can't wait to relax in our room.
This is going to look great on my feed.
I want to check out the pool.
Hello. We're the Johnsons. We have a reservation under Mark Johnson.
Welcome to our hotel, Mr. Johnson. Let me pull up your reservation. Ah, here we are. You have 2 adjoining rooms booked for 4 nights, correct?
That's right.
Here are your room keys. You're in rooms 402 and 404 on the 4th floor. The rooms are connected, so you can easily move between them. Breakfast is served in the dining area from 7 to 10 a.m., and our pool is open until 10 p.m.
Can we check out the pool now?
Let's get settled in our rooms first, Sophie.
Is there a game room or anything?
Yes. We have a game room on the 2nd floor with arcade games, a pool table, and some consoles.
Awesome.
Thank you, Alex. This sounds perfect.
Here's a brochure with information about the hotel amenities and some local attractions. If you need anything, just give us a call from your room.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Santa Monica Pier. California.
This place is amazing. Look at all the attractions.
Can we go on the Ferris wheel, Dad?
Sure. But let's take some photos first. The view is incredible.
This is going to be the best Instagram post ever.
Alright, everyone, say California. California.
California.
California. Hollywood.
Look, it's Marilyn Monroe's star.
And there's Mickey Mouse.
It's so fun seeing all these names. There's so much history here.
Let's get a photo with all of you by the Hollywood sign in the background.
Hollywood, here I come.
You're such a ham.
This is really special. I'm glad we decided to come here.
Me too. It's a trip we'll never forget.
Universal Studios.
I can't believe we're actually here.
Let's go to the wizarding world of Harry Potter first.
And we should definitely check out the studio tour. I've heard it's amazing.
This is going to be a fun day. Let's make the most of it.
California Beach.
This is the life. Sun, sand, and the ocean.
Mom, Dad, look at my sandcastle.
It's impressive. Maybe you'll be an architect one day.
Who's up for a swim?
I am. Let's go.
Race you to the water.
This is perfect, isn't it?
This whole trip has been perfect.
I'm so glad we did this. We've made so many great memories.
And there are many more to come.